Hi, I'm Sunny. I want to share my experience with the Raminfotech Villivakkam branch. So I gave my laptop with a heating issue. So my laptop was getting some issue for a long time. I gave for repair, and I am very satisfied with this experience. I got good service, and after service my laptop is running well. So it was a good experience with Raminfotech Villivakkam branch, and I came to know like they are dealing with customer very well, very good manner, and moreover their way to get the product and giving slip receipt, everything is pakka. Like they noted everything, model number, everything they are giving in proper manner. So it's a good experience. I'm very satisfied. Thank you.